Hey there, welcome to our crash course on Excel. Today we're going to cover the basics in just 3 minutes. So, buckle up. Let's start with the fundamental unit of Excel, the cell. A cell is like a tiny box where you can put information. It can hold numbers, text, dates, pretty much anything you need to keep track of. And get this, a single cell can hold up to 32,767 characters. That's a whole lot of text. Now what if you need to work with multiple cells together? That's where a range comes in. A range is just a group of cells that you can treat as a single unit. It's super handy for things like calculations and formatting. Ever wondered how big an Excel sheet can get? Well, by default, you've got 1,048,576 rows, 16,384 columns, and over 17 billion cells to play with. That's a lot of data. Now all these cells and ranges are stored in what's called a workbook. Think of a workbook as a fancy folder that holds all your Excel stuff together. It's where you keep your sheets, charts, and more. Next up, we've got the ribbon. The ribbon is like a control center packed with all sorts of tools and options to help you work your Excel magic. And if there are some tools you use all the time, you can add them to the quick access toolbar. It's like having your favorite tools on speed dial. Last but not least, we've got the status bar down here. It gives you handy info like cell mode, sum, average, and more. Keep an eye on it while you work. And finally, the default file format in Excel is .xlsx. So there you have it, a whirlwind tour of Excel basics in just 3 minutes. Thanks for joining me today, and happy spreadsheeting.